Hi everybody. I know this is a weird view, but I thought I would show you what's happening with my art room. So now this light used to be a huge source of light for me in my art space, but now you can see it's on the outside of the wall. So right now it's not the best lighting because it's not hooked up yet, but I will show you the progress we've made so far. So this basement used to be entirely open. There were no walls. So there will be a door that will lead you to my art room. So these walls were already here, these two, because it's the exterior of the house. So my husband built this wall and he had to encase the vent. You can see it on that side, so it comes through. But this is where, well, first I'll scan the room and then I'll tell you what my plans are. So again, sorry for the lighting. But, so I have 3 windows. And it's a good size. Like, it's not that much bigger than my art room in the house that we just moved from. But when we would come into my room in the old house, like first when you came in, you had 3 steps down. So that ate up a good chunk of the room where I couldn't put anything. And there was a huge window on one wall. And then, okay, so the wall you came into, that was no good because that was a whole opening, so it was a door. And then there was stairs that ate up some space. And then another wall had a huge window and another wall had a doorway. So I only had probably one wall about the size of that in the old house. That was a full wall. That was it. So this room, I'm getting lots of walls, which, well, not lots of walls, but lots of wall space, which is great. So I'm thinking the built-in unit that you can see some pieces of over there, we're going to put that here. So it's going to start in the corner and it's going to come over and it'll end. This is why my husband built it this way. So it's going to end here because he wanted it to kind of look like it was built in once it was in place. So from here, like where he did this, from there over to the wall, I don't know what I'm going to put there yet, but a desk is going along this wall and the desk will come out to here, but I still have room for something there. I don't know if my sewing machine will go there or what. But this wall here, the one with one window, and I apologize because I'm not used to recording while holding a camera. So this wall, this is the one I'm going to attempt to paint a mural on. It makes me quite nervous, but I really want to do it. So the desk, I'm gonna, my current desk that my husband built for me, which is beautiful, is gonna go upstairs. And I'm gonna get a new desk the full length of the wall because that's what I want. And I don't want anything as beautiful as the first desk he made me because it's going to get painted on. So this side of the desk will be like a computer area, and then over there will be like my art space. And we're going to work it in a way where there's drawers on the end, drawers in the middle, and then drawers on the end. So there's 2 separate seating areas and 3 lots of drawers. So I don't know we'll see, but no shelving on that wall because I want to do the mural that I'm quite nervous about. So then my island, right now it's right there, but it's going to go about here. So in this space here. It'll be in the same positioning, like running along this way, but over. So there'll be enough space all the way around that I can get all the way around the island. And then this wall, I'm not too sure. I have a bookcase that's going to go, like it's a low bookcase that I want to put art books and stuff like that in. But I don't have anything exactly planned for that wall yet. So we'll just see as we're putting the room together. But in this corner, my comfy chair, I have an easy chair, it's going to go there. And I bought this new light fixture and I absolutely love it. I love colored glass. So it needs to come out more. It's not permanent. My husband just hung it because he knew I was excited about it. But it has to be moved out. So yeah, that's what general idea of what my art room's going to be like. The drywall's all done. It just needs to be taped and mudded and then sanded and then painted. I think I'm going to go all white for the walls because I don't want it to be too dark in here for arting and filming. Although my husband has like a bazillion pot lights that he's putting in here. And then there's these, where are they? Oh, there is one out. There's this huge, that's a light. So there's 4 of them that are going to go above my island. Ooh, and a nice feature that I asked for. I'm going to have an outlet in the ceiling. I love that. Like for the video camera and stuff. So right now you can see my art supplies. They're all over the place. There's some here because we had to empty my room in order to put the subfloor down. So there's some there. There's little bits there. There's little bits everywhere. Even back there on the shelves. Like, it's just spread out everywhere. Like, not all this stuff is my art supplies. Like, it's mixed among other things. So, yeah. It's a mess. And that's why my arting is a little limited to what I have room to do on that island and what I can find. But I just wanted to give you guys an update and tell you what's happening. Ooh, I have to find a place to hang my Distress Inks holders as well. I'm guessing they'll probably go in this wall. I don't know. It'll be fun. But I will record like when there's changes, like enough to actually see and keep you up to date. We do have the floors bought, but not putting them down until the walls are painted. So yeah. Hope that excites you. Why you guys would be excited, I don't know, but I'm excited. I'm gonna have a room. Talk to you later. Bye. Thanks so much for stopping by. Let me know if you like my videos by leaving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also head over to my Instagram account and say hi to me over there. If you have any video requests, leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. And don't forget to check out my other videos.